What if I told you that just 5 scientific breakthroughs changed the entire direction of human history? Not slowly, not vaguely, but in ways that reshaped how we survive, how we work, how we communicate, and even how long we live. In this video, we are looking at 5 discoveries that did not just improve life, they rewrote the rules of it. And as we go through them, I will show you not just what happened, but why each breakthrough actually worked, and why it still matters today. First up, controlled fire. This might seem too obvious, but it was one of the most important technological breakthroughs ever. Fire gave early humans heat, light, protection, and cooked food. And cooking is a bigger deal than it sounds. It breaks down tough proteins and starches, making food easier to digest and giving the body more usable energy. That extra energy likely helped fuel bigger brains and longer growth. A practical example, even today. Fire's descendants are everywhere: sterilization, metalworking, engines, power plants. A spark, in a very literal sense, set civilization in motion. Next, agriculture. For most of human existence, people lived as hunters and gatherers. Then humans figured out how to grow food on purpose. That changed everything. Instead of following food, people could stay in one place. That led to villages, cities, governments, and eventually rioting. The mechanism is simple: a reliable food surplus. Once a community produces more calories than it immediately needs, some people can specialize as builders, traders, teachers, soldiers, or scientists. That is how complexity begins. A concrete modern example is every pantry, supermarket, and supply chain. Agriculture made population growth and urban life possible. Third, germ theory. For centuries, people did not really know why disease spread. Then science revealed that tiny organisms, bacteria, viruses, and other microbes cause many illnesses. This was revolutionary because it turned medicine from guesswork into strategy. Once we understood the mechanism, we could act on it: washing hands, sterilizing tools, pasteurizing milk, developing vaccines, and using antibiotics. The usefulness here is enormous. A simple hand-washing routine in hospitals has saved countless lives. So has clean water, sewage treatment, and modern vaccination. This is one of the clearest examples of science directly translating into survival. Fourth, electricity. Electricity did not just give us light bulbs, it became the backbone of modern civilization. The key mechanism is that electricity can transfer energy quickly and precisely across distance. That makes it ideal for communication, computation, lighting, motors, and nearly every device we use. Without electricity, there is no internet, no smartphones, no MRI machines, no modern factories. A practical example: the same principles that power a tiny phone also power massive grids in hospitals. It is one of the most flexible forms of energy ever harnessed. And finally, DNA. Discovering the structure of DNA revealed how life stores and passes on information. That was a huge shift because it explained inheritance at a molecular level. The mechanism is elegant. DNA acts like a coded instruction manual for building and maintaining living organisms. Once that was understood, biology became much more powerful. Today we use it for genetic testing, tracing disease outbreaks, understanding ancestry, and developing new therapies. In the future, it may help us cure inherited disorders before they even fully develop. These 5 breakthroughs did more than make life easier. They changed what humans were capable of. Fire gave us control over our environment, agriculture gave us stability, germ theory gave us medicine, electricity gave us modern infrastructure, and DNA gave us a blueprint for life itself. History is not just a story of events. It is a story of ideas powerful enough to change what humans can do, and these 5 ideas changed everything. 5 scientific breakthroughs that rewrote human history is just one small part of history of science. If you are interested, our full free History of Science course is linked in the description.